Hi, good day, M6182. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Ana Grace Oberondo, 46 years old, a high school graduate, a bliss married with three kids, 24, 16, and 10. I'm working before in Qatar, 2 years, uh, with four members, two adults and two children, ages 8 and 10. And my main duties are cooking, assisting madam for cooking, cleaning, car washing, sometimes go marketing. And also I'm working before in Hong Kong, 2019 to 2022. I served three members, a couple, 75 years old sir and 54 years old mom. And the children is 8 years old boy. My main duties are washing, cleaning, ironing, uh,
You are also car washing, right?
yes, car
How
washing,
many car do you car wash?
one only.
How many in a day?
One in the day,
Once a day.
once a day.
Once. So every day you
Yeah,
are car
every
washing
day.
every day. Okay. So why suddenly you terminated the contract?
Because of my coworker.
Because your coworker, your
Coworker.
employer terminated your
Yes, sir.
contract. But do you have any release paper?
Yeah, I have.
You have.
Yeah.
Okay. So since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you have a children, right?
Yeah, yes,
You are
sir.
the one who took care of them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Uh, I I check the fever and change the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, you check the diaper, you feed the baby, and also check the temperature. Maybe the baby is sick, but suddenly the baby doesn't stop to cry. What will you do?
I call the parents to immediately go to the doctor.
Okay, you will ask to go to the
They
doctor.
ask to go to the doctor
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because cheapest place and I wanted to the future of my kids.
For the future of your kids.
Yes.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to finish my contract if my employer want me to renew the contract.
So it is okay to you to extend it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an idea? For sure, you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Well, steam chamso, steam what's that name?
Steam,
Cha,
steam.
steam fish, steam vegetables, steam what's the other?
You don't know the others, but you know how to prepare.
Yes, I know. I know
Okay.
how to prepare.
If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs with the helper?
It's okay, sir. Sharing the job.
Sharing rooms with kids.
It's okay. It's okay.
If your employers have a prior commitment on Saturday or Sunday or in holiday, it is okay to you to work.
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets,
Yes, sir.
taking care of elderly.
It's okay, sir.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employers'
Yeah,
family
it's
don't know
okay,
how
sir,
to
to
speak?
learning Cantonese.
Okay, if your employer doesn't know how to speak English, it's okay to you.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
For my future employer, please give me a chance, ma'am, sir, to to
To
to to to to work with your family. I love your children like my own children. I'm a hardworking person. I'm an honest person. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, and can you also promise to follow the rules and regulations of their house
Yes, yes, sir.
and also take good care of their children as your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Anna Grace. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.